Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you a super cool Easter egg hidden in the Google Chrome web browser. Now this works both on the mobile version of Chrome and on the desktop version of Chrome. So whether you have a computer, a phone, a tablet, it'll work either way. This isn't the most up-to-date operating system on this iPad because it doesn't support the latest one because this is an old iPad, but I do have the latest version of Chrome running on it, and this isn't something they're going to remove, at least I don't think they would, but basically, it's something that you can only do if you don't have Wi-Fi. So the basic idea of it is that you have a game you can play if there's no Wi-Fi, and so basically you're just gonna turn the Wi-Fi off of your device. So you can see there's no Wi-Fi. Open up Google Chrome and you go to any website to load. So I'm just gonna go to Amazon, and then you're gonna get this message that there's no internet. Well, on a computer, press the space bar or the arrow pad. On the mobile version, you just have to tap. Oh, you have to tap the actual dinosaur, but it's actually a free game. It's a dinosaur game, and you have to jump over the cacti, and then you have to, like, dodge certain things. Gosh dang it, this is hard. But, yeah, it's definitely not like a... It's definitely not an elaborate game. It's just something to kind of keep you entertained while the Wi-Fi is out. But, you just have to, there's not a whole lot to it. It's kind of boring, but it's better than just sitting there without Wi-Fi, because since it's the modern day, gosh dang it, but since it's the modern day, people can't go more than 5 minutes if there's no Wi-Fi, which is kind of sad, but that's just kind of how it is. But this is basically what this game is for, and on the original video I saw, the guy was able to do more things. I'll link that video in the description if you want to check it out. But there was stuff that you actually had to dodge, and you would use the lowercase key on your computer to actually dodge, like to go under stuff. But the mobile one doesn't look quite as fun. I don't know if that's something he had to get to, but if you're ever without internet, it's just kind of a fun game you can do while you're waiting for the connectivity to get fixed. I mean, it's pretty boring because oh, there's a bird thingy, but it's better than nothing. You know, I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, I was gonna try to jump on it like how Mario jumps on turtles, but yeah, I think I want my internet back. This is, you know, starting to get a little boring, but you guys get the point. It's just a really cool Easter egg. It's more for like cool purposes rather than actual entertainment purposes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.